I'm going to talk about tech seminar, and today's I chose the tech topic as the mastering the state management in Flutter, a comprehensive guide to manage application state for efficient and scalable app development. A comprehensive guide to managing the application states for efficient and scalable development. State management in Flutter is a crucial aspect of building robust, efficient, and scalable mobile application, and it involves various techniques and tools designed to handle the dynamic nature of the app states in response to user interactions and external events. In Flutter, state management refers to the process of maintaining and updating the state of an application where state represents the data and the properties that determine the UI and behavior of app. Understanding how to manage state efficiently is essential for creating high quality apps that are both performant and maintainable. The concept of state management in Flutter can be broadly categorized into different approaches, each offering unique features and best practices for managing state at various level complexity. One of the most fundamental state management techniques in Flutter is set state, a method provided by stateful widget classes that allows you to update the state of a widget and rebuild the UI in response to user actions. While setState is simple and effective for small application or single widgets, it becomes cumbersome and error prone in larger application with complex state requirements. As your app grows, you may need more advanced solution for managing state across multiple widgets, which leads us to the next set of techniques. Inherited widget and provider. Inherited widget allows data to be propagated down the widget tree, enabling the recent widgets to access the shared state without manually passing data through constructors. Although inherited widget is a powerful tool, it can be challenging to use for complex state management tasks, which is where the provider package comes into play. Provider builds on the top of inherited widget and offers a more intuitive and flexible API for managing the state, making it making it a popular choice for many Flutter developers. It simplifies the state management of allowing you to create and access the state objects from anywhere in the widget tree and support advanced features like dependency injection, which helps in separating the concern and improving testability. Another popular state management solution is Riverport, an evolution of provider created by the same developer Remy Rosulet. Riverport offers a more robust and more approach and or containers, offering a more structured and scalable way to manage state compared to provider. Block business logic component is another advanced state management solution that focuses on separate business logic from UI code. Block relies on streams and events to manage state in a predictable manner, where events where event triggers state changes and blocks or business logic components handle the processing of events and emits new states. Block is a Block is a particularly useful for uh, large scale applications where a clear separation of concerns and maintainability are priorities for developers seeking a more declaration and functional approach. Redux is a statement management library inspired by the Redux pattern from the JavaScript. Redux uses a unidirectional data flow model where the state is managed in a central store and actions are dispatched to update the state through Redux reducers. This approach provides a clear and predictable way to manage state but can more complex to set up and learn compared to other solutions. Additionally, GetX offers a comprehensive state management solution with a focus on simplicity, performance, and ease of use. GetX combines the state management, dependency injection, and route management in a single package, providing a feature like reactive state updates and easy to use API for managing state across your app. Each of these state management solution comes with its own set of trade-offs and is suited for different types of application and development scenarios. Choosing the right state management technique depends on factors such as the size and complexity of your app, your team's familiarity with different patterns, and your specific use case and requirements. In addition to the aforementioned techniques, it is essential to consider best practice for state management flutter, such as keeping the state localized to the smallest possible scope, avoiding the unnecessary rebuilds, and leveraging the Flutter built-in tools and packages to enhance performance and maintainability. For example, using a change notifier with provider allows you to listen to changes in your state and trigger updates only when they're necessary, which helps optimize your app performance. Similarly, understanding the principles of reactive programming and adopting an appropriate state management pattern can lead to more efficient and maintainable code bases. As you delve deeper into the state management, it is also valuable to explore official documentation, community resources, and sample projects to see a real world implementation of different state management strategies. Engaging with the Flutter community through forums, meetups, and online discussion can provide additional insights and help you stay updated with the last trends and best practices in the state management. By mastering the scalable application that meet the demands of modern software development, this knowledge not only enhances and your development capabilities but also prepares you more advanced topics and challenges in the Flutter ecosystem, ultimately leading to the more successful and impactful development experience.